In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the issue where you're not receiving your SMS verification code on WhatsApp. So in order to fix this issue, you first need to make sure you have a stable connection to the internet. What I would recommend doing is just dragging your finger down the screen to bring up this control center, and you want to toggle on the aeroplane mode for around about 5 seconds. Then we can turn this off, and you can try alternating between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. I wouldn't recommend having both of these enabled at once, as this can also cause issues, so either select between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. You can then try resending your verification code, and if that still doesn't work, you'll need to select didn't receive a verification code, and then you'll need to select the bottom option for voice call and press continue. Now if that's still not working, you'll need to head back over to your home screen, select the App Store from your list of applications, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, scroll down and you'll see this automatic update section, and just ensure you have WhatsApp updated here. So if you see WhatsApp in this list, it means you're running an outdated version of the app, so just go ahead and install the latest version. You should also make sure that you're selecting the correct area code from this list. Because I'm based in the United Kingdom, I have a +44 number, but you need to ensure that you've selected the correct prefix for your own personal phone number. If you have tried these steps and that's still not working, another thing you can do is head over to the App Store, and you want to try connecting to a VPN when receiving this SMS verification code. A lot of people have reported this working for them, so there's a bunch of free ones that you can choose from the App Store. And then once again, you can try connecting to WhatsApp and seeing if that now fixes the issue. You can also try downloading WhatsApp for Business. Sometimes using the business version of the application can also solve this issue. It's basically the exact same application with slightly different features, so you can just download this directly from the App Store like so, and once again check to see if that now solves the issue. And finally, if you have tried everything in this video and you're still not receiving the verification code, you'll need to remove your SIM card from your mobile phone, make sure it's clean and free from any debris, and then you can try reinserting it back into your device, and once again checking if that's now working. And that's it guys, let me know in the comments if this did or didn't work. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.